In this video, I will show with you how to deposit your money in Qapital platform. So friends, this is a crypto platform. You should have a live account to deposit, and you should be verified your account with a residence address. And then when you verify your account, go to this section deposit. As you can see here, click on this deposit section. After that, click deposit. As I say, from the setting you can find your deposit. When you click deposit, friends, you will see all this method to deposit. You have a bank transfer, credit card, Skrill. Choose your method to deposit. From here, choose your amount you want to deposit. This is for web device. If you have a mobile, you will have three options here. Go to this profile icon, as you can see here, and then write your payment. Click on the payment option. When you click on payment option, choose deposit funds. Choose deposit funds. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content. Just follow these simple steps and then choose your method you want to withdraw or deposit.